Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you how you can add your feyorra wallet in your faucetpay. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on my website. Okay, first of all, go to your Play Store if you using Android. If you using Galaxy or any Android phone, and if you use Apple, go to Play Store, and you can just download the MetaMask. Okay, this one, just click download it. After download it, just clicking create an account, like you create account in Trust Wallet. Okay, and like you can create in a Trust Wallet. And if you want to just you add your ethereum, just click this one and copy this wallet address. Okay, and if you want to you receive your feyorra coin, just you copy the first wallet address, this one, just click this one and this will be automatically copy. Okay, and after copy you come in your faucetpay. And if you want to link with feyorra, come to link address and come here and paste the wallet address you copy in here. Type any cryptocurrency you want, like I click feyorra and I choose a feyorra coin in here, and just I click link. This will be automatically linked for you. Like you can see the MetaMask, the first one is my ethereum, the next one is my feyorra. And if I want to claim feyorra, just click it, copy this one, and I will be claim my feyorra. Okay, and this will be choose ethereum because I link it, and no problem, I link wrongly, and just I click delete it and I can link again. Just I paste it, just I click label as a feyorra, just I click this one feyorra too. Okay, this will be automatically link, and you can see this will be linked. Show you ethereum, no problem, but the wallet address is changed. This not this one be changed. Okay, different wallet address. And after that you can claim your free feyorra. And if you want to make much more cryptocurrency, just subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, and you can earn much more cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching guys, bye bye.